Hey guys, welcome to the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free. Today we're going to be making gluten-free, dairy-free bread. And these are the ingredients that I have today. I'm going to be using 2.5 cups of gluten-free flour. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and this baking powder is gluten-free as well. 1 packet of yeast, and this too is gluten-free. 1/4 cup of olive oil, and this is a really good olive oil. Any olive oil would do. 1/4 cup of honey. This is a wildflower honey. It's pure raw. Any honey will do as well. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of warm water. This for the flax seeds. To make my egg wash, using 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so let's go ahead and get all of this together and let's make the bread. Since this gluten-free flour has xanthan gum in it, I'm not going to be adding it to the recipe. About 2.5 cups of this flour, which I put in this cup, I'm going to pour it in here and the flour around me. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, then I'm going to give this a quick mix. And these are the dry ingredients. Now we'll go ahead and work on the wet ingredients in this bowl. For the wet ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and put this in a separate bowl. I'm first going to put about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of honey. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1.5 cups of water. Make the egg substitute, which is the flax seeds, and I need about 3 spoons of the flax seeds. And I'm going to mix that with some hot water. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and add some salt. Then I'm going to put this in my wet ingredients. And finally, going to put the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir this up. This dough over here, and I do have this pan over here. I'm just going to line it up with parchment paper. And of course, put some avocado oil in it. And I'm just going to keep this in the microwave or in the oven, anywhere warm. And I'm going to let the dough rise for about half an hour. And it has risen. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven now and bake this. I'm going to bake this at 350 for about half an hour. Okay, so the bread is out of the oven and it's looking so good. I'm just going to let it rest here for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and taste this. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe. So nice. Can't wait to eat this. Okay, now it's time to try this. Let me go with this slice over here. So good. You don't need any butter. This is so good, so moist. This is perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. Have a great day.